once unshakable value of Rolex watches is experiencing a surprising downturn. Brace yourselves, horologists and watch collectors, as Capital Luxury reveals the mystery behind the Rolex recession. In our signature straightforward style, we'll explore the unexpected factors causing this shift and how it impacts the world of luxury watches. Each Rolex tells a unique story of attention to detail, reminding us of its lasting value. But hold on, there's a twist. The iconic reputation of Rolex is facing a surprising challenge known as the Rolex recession. What's behind this unexpected decline, and how might it affect you as a Rolex enthusiast or collector? The emergence of the Rolex recession has left even the most devoted Rolex fans scratching their heads. This phenomenon challenges the narrative that Rolex watches are bulletproof investments that only appreciate over time. Owning a Rolex was once a clear sign of success, but now individual watches are more than just accessories. They are investments. The Rolex recession isn't a result of a global financial crisis, but a unique downturn within the luxury watch market. If you're perplexed by this unexpected dip, you're not alone. Let's rewind to the late months of 2022 for a clearer picture. Whispered conversations and growing concerns in major financial centers hinted at disruptions brewing within the US economy. Speculations about the Federal Reserve considering interest rate hikes created a cloud of uncertainty. While the broader economic landscape maintained stability, the luxury timepiece market faced a different scenario. The consequences of tightening monetary policies aimed at controlling inflation unexpectedly resulted in a downturn in the luxury watch market. This downturn unfolded within the secondary market for high-end watches, where enthusiasts engage in buying and selling sought-after timepieces. Following the Federal Reserve's actions, this secondary market, thriving on prestige and investment allure, experienced a sharp 32% drop in luxury watch prices. Even iconic brands were not immune to this shift. Timepieces once considered secure assets showed vulnerability. This decline, though astonishing, highlights the intricate relationship between global economic policies and high-end horology. The late months of 2022 presented a puzzling scenario for the luxury watch industry as it adjusted to broader economic decisions. The Rolex recession, a unique phenomenon, serves as a reminder that even the most iconic symbols of luxury can be affected by economic forces. Cryptocurrencies also played a role, experiencing turbulence due to interest rate hikes, impacting the demand for luxury items. Interestingly, as the market for new luxury watches declined, pre-owned pieces gained allure, causing further decline in new piece prices. Despite this downturn, luxury watches, especially Rolex, have outperformed traditional investments. Over 5 years, Rolex values increased by a remarkable 55%. However, shifting perceptions of luxury, driven by younger demographics valuing experiences and digital assets, coupled with the rise of competitive smartwatches, reshaped the luxury landscape. The belief that Rolex watches are profitable investments attracted individuals to acquire these treasures. Now, with signs of market strain, there's a rush to sell, contributing to price decline. Yet, history shows that brands like Rolex have demonstrated resilience and adaptability in tumultuous market conditions. Despite trends, the essence of true opulence remains unchanged. Rolex, rooted in history and commitment to excellence, may explore innovative avenues to resonate with changing times. Yet, the intrinsic essence of Rolex remains untarnished, captivating those valuing heritage over fleeting trends. In October, the index, reflecting data for the 50 most traded timepieces, recorded a 1.8% decline, hitting its lowest point since 2021. This latest figure marks a significant drop of 42% from its peak in April 2022. During the October market update of the index, as reported by Business of Fashion. Christy Davis, co-founder of Subdial, noted a noticeable downward trend in the market. Davis expressed concern, stating, "We are seeing growing downward pressure in the market, which could lead to a further downward drift in prices as dealers cut valuations to chase sales." While top-tier Rolex, Patek, and Audemars Piguet watch prices soared to record highs during the pandemic, the scenario has shifted. Rising interest rates, attributed to inflation, have made consumers more cautious about investing in expensive timepieces. This hesitation has led to a decline in demand, coupled with a 5% increase in the number of used watches available in the secondary market since August, according to Subdial. Consequently, price uncertainty has risen by 12% during the same period. Christy Davis elaborated on the current market dynamics, stating, "With more watches available at a wider spread of prices, what we're seeing is people dropping prices to chase sales going into the holiday season. Despite the overall fall in used Rolex and Patek watch prices, it's noteworthy that the top models from both brands continue to command significantly higher prices than their retail counterparts on the secondary market." Rolex GMT-Master II Ref 16710. Introducing the modern counterpart, the Rolex GMT-Master II Ref 16710, produced from 1989 to 2007, with various versions featuring Pepsi, Coke, and fully black bezels. This model offers a classic GMT Master style before the ceramic bezel era. Equipped with the 3185 in-house caliber, it boasts a slimmer case compared to its predecessors. Prices start at just over Euro 10K, making it an excellent pick for both enthusiasts and investors. Rolex Submariner Ref 16610. Revisiting the Rolex Submariner Ref 16610, a steal when considering its value and potential for appreciation. In contrast to modern submariners with ceramic bezels, the Ref 16610 offers affordability, starting at roughly €8, 5K. Produced from 1988 to 2010, it underwent small updates, including the shift from tritium to luminova and super luminova, ideal for those seeking a vintage vibe. Prices range from €8, 5K to €14K, making it a perfect choice for frugal buyers. Rolex Datejust Ref 16234. Moving to the Rolex Datejust, the Ref 16234, introduced in 1988, provides an entry into the Rolex world in terms of price. Featuring a sapphire crystal, it maintains a vintage Datejust vibe with a 36mm stainless steel case and a fluted white gold bezel, with variations in dial colors and configurations. Prices start at roughly €4, 5K, and go up to €8, 5K, offering a vintage aesthetic with modern perks. Rolex Explorer II Ref 16570. The Rolex Explorer II Ref 16570, part of a previous list of potential value increasing watches, starting at roughly €6, 5K, predominantly in Japan. It presents an excellent opportunity for wear and potential value growth. Introduced in 1989 with the caliber 3185, it boasts significant updates compared to its predecessor, the Ref 16550. After 22 years in production, it was replaced by the Ref 16570 in 2011, making the Ref 16570 a valuable and reasonably priced choice. Rolex Explorer II Ref 1655, concluding with the first generation Rolex Explorer II, the Ref 1655, affectionately known as the Steve McQueen. Introduced in 1971 for cave explorers, it features a 24-hour bezel and an extra hand for a second time zone. The quirky dial design, while not always easy to read, adds to its charm and functionality, with prices starting between €20 25k and going up to Euro 45k to 50k for one with original box and papers. The Ref 1655 remains a much-loved classic, expected to increase in value over time. What are your thoughts on this video? Share in the comments below. Thanks for staying till the end, and for more news on popular watch brands, don't forget to like and subscribe to Capital Luxury. Until next time, happy collecting.